Hey guys, and welcome to this trip report. Today's video will consist of two different parts. The first part will be CX170 from Perth to Hong Kong, and the second part will be the return leg back to Perth. Tonight's journey began at Perth's International Terminal. Premium economy passengers with Cathay Pacific had their own dedicated check-in. Tonight's flight up to Hong Kong would be an hour late. This is because of the late arrival of the aircraft from Hong Kong. As always before a flight, I went to the observation deck, where they've installed this cool Flight Radar 24 screens. The International Terminal at Perth Airport becomes rather busy at night. Here we see a South African Airways A340, a China Southern A330, and a Garuda Indonesia A330. There's a wide variety of food and drink options just before immigration. However, once you go airside, there's very limited options. Business class passengers or passengers with One World, Sapphire or Emerald status can access the Qantas lounge before this flight. As with all my recent trips, boarding was through Gate 52 due to the late arrival of the aircraft and not being able to use Gate 51. Our aircraft tonight was B-LRV, a 1-year-old A350-900 aircraft. There's plenty of seating around the gate areas, and the seats even come with power sockets. Boarding soon commenced, about half an hour after our scheduled departure time. Tonight we're seated in seat 32A, in the rear of the premium economy cabin.
Travelling with hand luggage or large items, make sure they're stored in the overhead compartments. 喺航機起飛同降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃裏面。使用品關掉，或調校到飛行模式。任何無線電傳送設備都唔可以喺機艙內使用。如果有任何電子產品攝咗喺座位裏面，請唔好擅自調校座位，並通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以傳帶，即使燈泡熄滅，我哋亦建議閣下繼續扣好。And ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. 氧氣面罩為你指示逃生出口。Please take a look.
Tonight we taxi to runway 21 for departure to the south.
Your seat should now be in the upright position and your seatbelt.
The premium economy blankets are much larger than the economy ones, and therefore are a lot more comfortable. Caution when you're opening the tray table, you might knock yourself out when it comes out of the seat arm. The tray table was large and provided a very good work surface for me to edit the videos on. The table can move backwards and forwards, allowing you to move up and potentially get out of your seat during a meal. Amenity kits are offered in premium economy class. The headphones in premium economy are noise cancelling and are of very good quality. For dinner, I chose the barramundi and prawns. It also came with a tub of Movenpick ice cream. After the dinner service, a large bottle of water was handed out to every passenger in premium economy. Premium economy is laid out in a 2-4-2 configuration on the Airbus A350 and features the new Thompson Aero seats. The cabin crew on this flight were really good and were handing out drinks very frequently, as to keep us refreshed. The sunrise this morning was beautiful, along with the A350 winglet. These seats are pretty big, and they featured a storage cubby in the side of the seat. They also come with a very handy footrest and leg rest. Don't forget the cup holder. Two meal services on a 7-hour flight is pretty good, and for breakfast I had the scrambled eggs. The other option was the noodles with the barbecue pork, which looked really good.
Looks like no delay so far. We could get some holding, but right now
Economy class on the Airbus A350 is laid out in a 3-3-3 configuration. These new seats come with a tablet holder, as well as a handy cubby just underneath the IFE screen. Soon we're beginning our descent into Hong Kong International Airport. From here, I connected onto my 777 flight with Cathay Pacific onto New York's John F. Kennedy. After a few weeks in North America, it was time to head home back to Perth. If you're ever at Hong Kong Airport, I highly recommend going to the Aviation Discovery Centre in Terminal 2. In the lobby, you can find all sorts of displays about aviation in Hong Kong. The main attraction though is the sky deck on the roof of the terminal. Entry is $15 Hong Kong or $2.73 Australian. From the sky deck, you can get a great view of aircraft landing on the 25 runways. Soon though, we had to head to our gate. Since our flight was leaving from gate 66, we had to take the train. On the way, I spotted the Cathay Pacific A350 World livery. Our aircraft today was B-LRM, a 2-year-old Airbus A350. Boarding commenced on time. Today we're seated on the other side of the plane in seat 32K.
Stowed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. If any item
Hot towels were handed out after boarding.
Enjoy the journey. 最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
Today we taxied for a runway 25 left departure. Shortly after departure, a drink and nuts were served. This was the first time I've been served almonds on a plane. For dinner, I chose the braised beef. Seated on the right side of the aircraft, there was a fantastic sunset today. Entertainment-wise, I was watching Netflix on my phone. To see a full video of the entertainment, check out my Cathay Pacific 777 video from San Francisco to Hong Kong, as they use the same type of screen. For the second meal, I chose the fish. Soon we were approaching Perth, and this brought to the end my epic 4-week journey around North America and Asia. Thanks for watching. Check out my other Cathay Pacific videos and my United videos from this trip. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, the link's in the description below.